Going on, family? So as you see, we've been cleaning. We got a lot of stuff done. Cleaned up all the stuff that was out. We had to do 2 big trailer loads that was on the truck and the trailer. We actually had to clean this out. It had a lot of different stuff in it, man. So we got it cleaned out. This got a nice little room. Nice little room in here. And we've been cleaning this out. It was terrible. But now we got a lot of the stuff done. A lot of the stuff that y'all seen. Still got we're going to take all the cabinets and stuff out. But we do got majority of this trash out. We had a lot of trash, family. A lot of trash. So now we got it clean pretty much as far as like all the big trash. As you see, we got problems here. So, but we do got them clean now. It's got little sheetrock holes everywhere. That'll be easy fix. Walls are like extremely dirty. Bathroom need to have some love, but we most definitely got stuff cleaned out. So you got a little spot there, but we got everything cleaned out. So that was the main goal. So thanks to my cousin Sam, he helped me. Doc came through. My homeboy Anthony Wade, and also hollered at Larry Harris too. Shout out, he came through here and we talked for a minute. Let me know there's some life in here. He can help me on electrical setup of the unit. I'll get my mom's stuff together. So we got some stuff, but it's not terrible, family. We can bring it back to life. So that's our goal. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get our hog on. One day at a time. Hog on.